Good morning, my name is Lynette McFarland. I'm the co-advisor for Phi Theta Kappa Beta Beta Epsilon at Great Basin College. We're just so excited today because we've started our revitalization project. This is phase one, and our students, our staff, professors, volunteers, the fairground crew showed up this morning. We are revitalizing the islands with the curbing on the entrances just off of Elm Street. And they have been working since 7 o'clock this morning. It's about 11 o'clock right now. And I'll tell you what, we are just making great gains, and I believe the islands look so much better already. We love our college. We are PTK strong, GBC proud, and we have just begun. So we want to thank all of our volunteers. It's been a fabulous day, and we're not through yet. Okay, I'm going to show you. Of our campus, it's everybody's job. We have faculty who plant flowers, and the PTK students who are doing this amazing job.
Jeff Winrod, Director of Facility Operations here at Great Basin College. We're working with PTK, doing some volunteer work to help improve the beautification of the campus. We have the buildings and grounds crew out here and tons of volunteers helping spread rock, remove old vegetation, and improve the overall campus. So it's great to see the efforts and appreciate everybody's involvement.
Hi, I'm Krista Senafonrai. I am the Vice President of our Beta Beta Epsilon Phi Theta Kappa chapter here at Great Basin College. Today we're doing our campus beautification. We're taking all of these wonderful things out and putting all new river rock in. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of work. We're really sweaty, but we're having a good time. I'm also the Vice President of the Nevada region for Phi Theta Kappa. As a student and as a PTK member, this is just a great way to get involved in your community. It's just a great way to support your college and just meet who you're working with. So it's really great. Bye.